Hey, this is Mike, and I wanted to talk to you about probably one of the craziest stocks that's out there right now. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Kaixin Auto Holdings. So it's a Chinese stock that 5 days ago was at 54 cents, and yesterday it was as high as $12, and now it's at $5. So I just wanted to talk about this stock because is a stock like this worth the roller coaster ride? So just a couple thoughts. First, my personal rule of thumb is when a stock really pops like this, has this sort of parabolic move, I would typically wait for this move to gap down 50% from bottom to top. So it was down here at 2, went up to 12. That's 10. You remove 5. That's around 7. It's at 5. So it's lost more than half of its. It looks like it has a bit of a bounce from 462 up to 5. I would say that at this level, I would not buy this stock, but I would watch it because I do think their business model is very intriguing. So their business model is they're basically a network of used car dealerships that specializes in high-end cars in China. Right now, the company has 14 dealerships covering 14 cities and 12 provinces. Now, the current market cap right now is $300 million. And I don't know if 14 luxury used auto dealerships in China is worth $300 million. That does seem steep. However, I do think a company like this does have a lot of potential because China's middle class is the size of the entire United States. They have 400 million people in their middle class in China. The United States has a population of 400 million. So the market there is huge. It's so huge that companies like GM, Ford, Tesla, they're all making the Chinese market probably their number two or even number one priority. So there is a huge demand for vehicles. And also in China, image is very important. So driving a nice car is really important if you have the money to afford it. Like some people in America, if they have the money, they drive a nice car. Then you have other people who have a lot of money and they don't want to drive a nice car. They're more like sort of frugal minded or value minded. I don't think there's a lot of that frugal thinking in China right now because it's all new money. And when you have new money loves to flaunt. And so I think Kaizen Auto does have this edge here that they're going to take cars, they're luxury cars, but they're used, so they're probably going to be 50% lower than the original sticker price. That gives you that luxury image, makes it more attainable to people that are upwardly mobile. So I do think a company like this does have potential, but I will say at $300 million market cap for 14 dealerships in China does seem kind of steep. I don't know what the market cap would be on one used luxury dealership in China. In the United States, I would say maybe a dealership like that, if they sell 200 used luxury cars a year, maybe that's a company that would be worth 10 or 20 million dollars. I don't know. I don't know what the value is in the Chinese market, but I will watch this. If Kaizen announces like a lot of expansions, like if they're opening a lot of dealerships, if they're selling a lot of vehicles, then this is definitely a company that you look at. So I will keep an eye on this. I will keep this update for you. If there's any news on Kaizen Auto Holdings, I will let you know right away. I will say now that it is a good sign that it's above the penny stock territory. It's at 505. If it can hold above 505, that's actually a really good sign for the stock. So like I said, I will keep this stock on the radar. The ticker symbol they trade on the NASDAQ is KXIN. And if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, leave a like so it can be more discoverable, not only for you, but for other people. And go ahead and subscribe because I do updates on videos throughout the day, stocks and other stuff throughout the day. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye.